One of the parts of the Dermalogica product system of which we're the most proud is our Age Smart product line. We're about bringing the skin to its optimum level of health and condition at whatever age you're at. It's really about an intelligent approach to treating your skin as you're aging. Our most recent introduction, Overnight Retinol Repair, is one of the products of which not only am I very proud, I'm excited to introduce.
What we were able to do at Dermalogica is microencapsulate the retinol. What this does is it stabilizes the molecule so that it's delivered exactly at 0.5% into the skin. And in this process, we're able to have a targeted delivery to get optimum results. We address those fine lines, wrinkles, and even discoloration so often associated with aging skin.
Along with the buffer cream, which is completely unique and original, gives us the opportunity to address skin aging in whatever skin we find we want to use it on. And so not only are we proud, it's an amazing product system.